the exhaust leak on the G. Hear this shit leaking bad. Hear this shit. For the damn. There it is. Oh shit. Already draining radiator fluid. Just this little thing in here, a little bolt. Ouch, ouch. Sit, sit. Sit. Good boy. Anyways, yeah, this is dirty as fuck. This water pipe has to be off. This hose gone. This hose gone. Just in order to get to that header that's way down in there. I put that OEM one back on. I don't know if you can see that. Ow! Damn, he's biting the shit out of me. What is this one? Take all that off. This hose. Really a bunch of stuff just to get to that really little header, and it's back in there, right there. Right there with that bolt in there.